The 120-watt replacement power supply is Maytronics Part Number 99956035 US-F1. It is for robot models with a remote and advanced Bluetooth on board. Make sure the power supply stays dry. Do not expose to rain or other harsh weather. It does have a built-in moisture barrier, as the plug uses a blue gasket to protect it from the elements. As a result, you do have to push a bit harder when connecting the power cord. Please note that the power supply does not come with a power cord. This would be a separate item for purchase. For a full list of robots that this power supply is compatible with, take a look at the video description. Thank you for watching.